Most animals make their own sounds, but this one doesn't.
It listens closely, memorizing everything it hears.
The forest goes quiet, and the shadows seem to hold their breath in anticipation. But then it begins, and the magic starts to awaken around us.
I am able to mimic any sound you hear in the wild with absolute precision. It is truly remarkable how accurately I can reproduce these noises for you.
From birds and alarms to even human-made noise. Because in nature, adapting means becoming what you need. Follow for more.